Salam kids! Welcome back to your channel Islam Station. Today, we will discuss about some healthy eating habits you should adopt. First, you should know, what is healthy eating? Healthy eating refers to consuming a variety of foods that provide the nutrients necessary to maintain health, feel good, and have energy. These nutrients include protein, carbohydrates, fat, water, vitamins, and minerals. The goal of healthy eating is to enhance overall well-being, prevent diseases, and maintain a healthy weight. Components of healthy food. Number 1. Balanced diet. A balanced diet includes a mix of different food groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, protein foods, and dairy. Each group provides essential nutrients that the body needs to function correctly. Number 2. Nutrient-dense foods. Nutrient-dense foods are high in nutrients but relatively low in calories. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products. They provide vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other essential nutrients. Number 3. Proper hydration. Drinking enough water is a crucial part of healthy eating. Water supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and the elimination of waste. It also helps maintain body temperature and supports overall bodily functions. Number 4. Limiting unhealthy foods. Healthy eating involves limiting the intake of foods and beverages high in added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats. These include sugary drinks, fast food, processed snacks, and desserts. Number 5. Mindful eating. Mindful eating means paying attention to what and how much you eat. It involves savoring your food, eating slowly, and recognizing hunger and fullness cues. This helps prevent overeating and promotes better digestion. Now, we will come to know that why healthy eating matters. Growth and development. Proper nutrition ensures that children grow at a healthy rate. It provides the necessary nutrients for bone growth, muscle development, and overall physical health. Energy for activities. Healthy foods give children the energy they need to play, learn, and participate in sports and other activities. Better concentration. A well-balanced diet helps children concentrate better in school, improving their academic performance. Preventing diseases. Eating healthy reduces the risk of developing chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease later in life. Healthy habits for life. Teaching kids to eat healthy from a young age helps them develop habits that they will carry into adulthood. Now we will count some healthy eating habits. 1. Regular meals. Encourage children to eat 3 main meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner, along with healthy snacks in between. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later in the day. 2. Portion control. Teach children about portion sizes to prevent overeating. Using smaller plates can help control portions. 3. Limit sugary drinks. Replace sugary sodas and juices with water, milk, or natural fruit juices. Too much sugar can lead to weight gain and tooth decay. 4. Healthy snacks. Offer snacks like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and yogurt instead of chips, cookies, and candies. Healthy snacks provide nutrition without excessive calories. 5. Involve kids in cooking. Letting children help prepare meals can make them more interested in eating healthy foods. It also teaches them about nutrition and cooking skills. Now, some practical tips for parents. 1. Educate about nutrition. Explain to children why healthy eating is important. Use simple language and make it interesting. 2. Avoid using food as a reward. Instead of offering sweets as a reward, praise or give non-food rewards like a fun activity or extra playtime. 3. Encourage water drinking. Teach kids to drink water throughout the day. It keeps them hydrated and helps in maintaining overall health. 4. Keep healthy foods accessible. Have fruits and vegetables available and ready to eat. Place healthy snacks where children can easily reach them. Parents can try some fun and healthy recipes for kids. Smoothies. Blend fruits like bananas, berries and spinach with yogurt and a little honey. It's a nutritious and delicious drink. Mini sandwiches. Use whole grain bread and cut into fun shapes with cookie cutters. Fill with lean protein, cheese and veggies. Veggie pizza. Use whole wheat pita bread as the base. Let kids add tomato sauce, cheese and their favorite vegetables. Teaching children about healthy eating habits is crucial for their growth, development and overall well-being. By incorporating a variety of nutritious foods into their diet and setting a good example, parents can help their kids develop a positive relationship with food. That's all for today. I hope that you all will adopt healthy eating habits from now on. Thanks for watching. Take care.